Here.
What's up there on top of that, Alan?
Looky there, Alan.
Look, way up high.
Looky there. Look up this way.
Look, Mama found that one.
Look. Come here.
Come here, Ming. There's one on the other side of that pole, too. Ming, Ming.
Oh, boy, look at Joe Daddy.
Transformer Easter egg.
Now look right over there, Alan. Look right over there. Look here. Look here at Mama. See right over there? Look over there. See? Look. See right over there? See it? Woo, boy, howdy. Look it.
Come here and get it for Daddy. Get it and put it in your basket. Come on, Lindy. Lindy.
Lindy. Who's that Easter egg?
Lindy, look.
Oh,
Alan, look. On the lawnmower,
There
Alan.
on the lawnmower.
Look behind
On
you.
that lawnmower. Uh-oh, Alan found another Easter egg.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Lindy, look here, Lindy. Looky there, Lindy. Looky there on the...
Oh, he's finding a bunch of them.
Boy, howdy.
That was mine, Alan. Yes, it was.
Don't break them.
Oh, goodness. Here, Alan.
Well, today's not the last day of March, is it?
No, tomorrow is.
Yeah, looky there. Uh-oh.
Don't step on it.
Boy, howdy, look at the Easter eggs that Alan found.
Lindy,
Goodness gracious.
you gonna find any Easter eggs, baby? Pretty. Thank you. Alan, look up here by the pole.
Oh, look what Mama got.
Lindy, look at Daddy.
Look,
Look.
Daddy. Poor Daddy. He's crying.
Look, little pretty little girl.
Oh, boy.
I can't believe it. I sure get out of that bush, didn't I?
No. I thought if I hit it so simple, you wouldn't be able to find it.
Show Daddy what you found. Look at Daddy. Found.
Oh, the happy Easter egg.
Look, Lindy.